Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2022-2024 Mitsubishi Outlander? This happens because the car's keyless system relies on a signal from your key fob. When the fob's battery dies, usually a CR2032 coin cell, the signal is too weak for the car to recognize it. A simple fix is often just replacing the battery. Keep in mind, the average battery life is 1 to 2 years. If a battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, it could indicate a more complex issue, like a software glitch or a faulty immobilizer, which requires professional attention. Know that Mitsubishi has issued software updates to improve key fob signal strength and battery life monitoring. Check for updates via the Mitsubishi Connected Services app. First, try replacing the key fob battery. It's a quick and inexpensive solution. Many Outlanders have a physical key hidden inside the fob or near the door handle. Use that as a backup. Many Outlanders have a physical key hidden inside the fob or near the door handle. Use that as a backup. If these DIY steps don't work, the problem might be with the car's system. Software glitches, a faulty immobilizer, or a corroded fob antenna, especially in humid climates, can cause this issue. In such cases, it's best to visit a Mitsubishi dealer for reprogramming or diagnostics. Dealers use specialized tools like the MUT3 scanner to resync the fob. Note that some unofficial fixes might void your warranty, so professional service is often the safest route. Also, consider key fobs are covered for up to 7 years, 100,000 miles under extended warranties due to class action lawsuits.